Welcome to PrintGizmo tutorial series. Today we're going to speak about multi-addressing. Let's start off with the two items that are in our shopping cart currently. We have posters and note cards. On the note cards right below, we see that it says ship to multi-address. Click the checkbox next to that and the create shipment window will drop down. From here we can select our products and we'll start out with our posters. Select the address we would like to ship those to. Click Next, select our shipping method, and click Save. We can now see that our posters are being shipped to the Georgia office. Let's select our note cards, the address we would like to ship those to, click Next, select our shipping method, and click Save. We can now see that our note cards will be shipped to our Massachusetts office and our posters to our Georgia office. Ensure that the billing information is correct and submit order. That is all that there is to it for multi-addressing of your order. We hope you enjoyed this video. It was helpful and have a wonderful day.